Okay, I'm not usually one for PSAs, but let's talk about why I'm wearing heavy-duty welding leather and how I plan to avoid trips to the ER. Something happened about a week ago that took me out of action for a few days, and I'm honestly lucky it was only a few days. It could have been much worse, and I think it's worth talking about. Okay, I am a little shaken. I was cutting this bracket, had it secured nicely in my vise, got all the way through the cut, and at the very end, it looks like the cutoff wheel had a failure. It bucked right out of my hands and flew directly towards my crotch. It tore through my jeans, tore through the layer underneath of it, and wrapped everything up. I am physically okay, just some superficial cuts, but that could have been absolutely horrific. You know, my mom would have been so proud. I had my face protection on, I had ears, had my earmuffs on, and was doing everything right until I wasn't. So I think I'm going to go ahead and frame these pants and put them on the wall just as a reminder. Stay clear of the blade, use your guard, use your handles. Let's not have a trip to the ER. Okay, it's been about a week. Things are healing up nicely. So what had happened is at some point I was using a wire wheel on here and in close quarters, and I couldn't navigate where I needed to with the guard on, so I naturally took it and the handle off, and I grew complacent. I never put it back on. So that's the first thing that's going to happen. Handle and guard are going back on and staying on. If there's something that requires me to remove them, then I'm using the wrong tool. That's going to be my new rule from now on. I also went ahead and invested in this amazing colored outfit. It is heavy-duty welding leather. Be actually convenient for welding. I got the matching stylish pants as well. I can't imagine with the guard and the handle, and if something were to buck and come back into this, it's not going to tear it apart like it did those old jeans. This should provide significantly more protection. So they make something called chainsaw pants. I was looking into those. Turns out those are designed to come apart to mess up the cogs in your chainsaw and stop it. So that doesn't sound like what I need. I was even looking at, they make chainmail aprons. None of that really makes a lot of sense for what I'm doing, working under the car with a angle grinder. But yeah, the heavy duty leather, that's going to keep from tearing apart. It might get messed up, but at least it's going to keep a wheel from tearing up my skin. So I'm pretty happy with this. If you're interested in seeing what I got, I put links down in the description. Those are Amazon links, and if you click through and buy something using those links, Amazon kicks back a couple bucks to me and helps out the channel. I'll even put a link in there for the skill grinder that almost got me. Okay, if you're still with me, thank you so much for watching. Wrapping up the office soon. I think just one more video on that, and then moving on to the Mustang shortly afterwards. Yeah, that's all I got. Stay safe out there, kids.